So, I have an update about Dither Boy for you, and this is something I need to quickly address publicly somewhere official. This update relates to something I said a lot last year on this channel, and that is the words, we're going to be updating this app all year in 2025. Obviously, 2025 is now over, but we have made the decision to continue updates into 2026 for Dither Boy, and I'm going to tell you what that means in a second, but I first have to say that I never really planned to be working on Dither Boy for this long. Before we released the app, I initially thought that we could do one update in the summer, maybe last year, and then I thought that would probably be it. Didn't really have any kind of budget or any strategy for releasing it. My only plan was just to put it out, make a web page for it, and talk about it on camera and post a couple tweets about it, and just that was it. Just see how it lands. But obviously now it's nearly a year since we put it out, and today there is a very small but very engaged and supportive community around this software now, and it is thanks to that community and the people who've been watching the tutorials and contributing and stuff that we are able to continue doing updates in 2026. Now, if you've watched this channel long enough, you'll know I've never ever talked about an update until it was ready. I've never promised anything in an update until it was ready. My approach to the updates is just that once it's ready, I will post a video about it. And by the time you see the video, the update is already out and you can download it and use it by the time I have publicly said anything about it anywhere. The reason for that is just I don't want to overpromise and underdeliver in like software, and especially in like music and games and stuff. You see people a lot of the time try to hype up the thing they're working on by telling you how great it's going to be, and then when it's delivered it's not, as it doesn't fulfill everything, or it's just not what was promised. So I want to avoid anything like that, and for that reason I never really talk about anything until it's ready. However, I'm going to break that rule probably just this time and this time only, because the first 2026 update will be Dither Boy version 6. I have used Dither Boy version 6. It's been in the works for a while. There's been features that have been asked for since like the start of Dither Boy that are now usable in Dither Boy version 6. Obviously, it's not out yet, but version 6 will be the biggest update we probably ever do for Dither Boy. It's very unlikely there will ever be a software update that we ever do that's as big as this one. It addresses almost every single request that we've had. And the only reason I'm saying almost, to be honest, is because I'm aware I've probably missed some requests, or I don't have them at the top of my mind right now. But yeah, it's a big update, and it's kind of not the best time of year to be doing a big update because obviously it's January. No one's got any money in January. Like, the updates are free, so the only way we benefit from the update is if more people see it. Obviously it's yours either way if you already own Dither Boy, but given it's a new year and given there's going to be this huge update 2 months after Dither Boy version 6 comes out, there will be a small price increase. I don't know how much just yet, but I'm giving you 2 months and pre-warning here. So whatever date Dither Boy version 6 comes out on, the price will go up, but it will be on sale at the current price. So yeah, I wanted to say that somewhere just so that people knew, and I wanted to say it so that you know that version 6 is coming, you know that we're going to be updating into 2026, and yeah, I really want people to keep an eye out for version 6 when it's ready. I don't have a date yet. I wish I had a date, but when it's ready, if you grab it and update straight away, you'll be able to see what we've been working on and what the 2026 updates are going to be like. This is just like a general bit of like housekeeping update video that I just wanted to do before I move on and continue creating the usual content on this channel. But yeah, if you've been around and you've been supporting and talking about Dither Boy and recommending it to people, or making your own videos on it, or mentioning it in your captions of your work and stuff, then yeah, thank you for the support, because obviously now we can continue doing the updates. And to say that there is a graphic design software that is not packed full of stupid AI features, it's not a subscription service, it's something you own, it's niche, and you know, it's cool, it's like your own little thing that's not coming back to you every month on your bank statement for a bit more money or whatever. In 2026, like, I don't really know that there's any, is there any other new stuff like that? I don't think there is, and we've been able to do one, and it's been really well received and people have enjoyed it, and I'd say it's been successful. So yeah, thank you for all the support. Next video will be a bit more normal, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.